Welcome to Soaping 101. With just 97 days left until Black Friday, let's start preparing for the busiest retail season of the year. This fall soap has a special ingredient that will amp up our label appeal. The recipe we're using is the Bastille one, and it can be found on the Soaping 101 website. Both my lye water and my oils are at room temperature. After bringing the soap to trace, I'm dividing a small portion of the soap into 3 parts. Lemon drop yellow, titanium dioxide, and mango tango, all from Nurture Soaps. All the micas have been pre-mixed with water. Because my fragrance oil contains a percentage of vanilla and it will discolor, I'm only adding it to my base, as not to disrupt the accent colors. And now our special ingredient, pure Kentucky bourbon, the turkey one. The bourbon will add little benefits to the soap, but it'll definitely add a great label appeal. And we're using just 6 grams in this recipe. We'll stick blend our soap to make sure all the additives and colorants are fully incorporated. Now it's time to pour our design. Let's create a drop pour hanger swirl. Roughly 1/2 of the base is added, and one by one our bright fall colors are added and repeated until all the cups are emptied. You'll notice that the base color has yellowed quite a bit. This is the vanilla in the fragrance oil that is changing its color. My vanilla content is only 20%, so it'll transform into a light brown color once it's cured. I'm pouring the colors in a random stream from up high so that they will penetrate deep into the mold. This hanger swirling tool I've had for quite a long time. It's from Great Soap Company. There's no real pattern to my swirl, just a few side swipes and some circles. After giving the top a little texture with the back of a spoon, our soap will set uncovered for 24 hours. Let's see what's inside. I wonder if the addition of the bourbon will affect our design. It looks beautiful and it smells amazing. So it's time to start gearing up for your fall soaps, making sure that they'll have time to cure. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.